Welcome back to the Crypto Farm, where today we're going to be talking about the Assembly NFT game. Now, you can assemble, you can battle, you can play to earn in one of the history's greatest armies on the Solana blockchain, I would say. Now, I'm not entirely sure what blockchain we are on. We're going to learn while taking a look at the website, but the most important part is that it is a play to earn game and it is on the blockchain. Now, these guys already released their first collection, or the Assembly. The Vikings are actually going to be minting as volume 2 very, very soon, right? So from the February of the 7th is when the public sale will actually start. Now you can see one of the pinned tweets right here, or Ragnar Lothbrok and the Vikings have arrived on the Solana blockchain, a AAA game designed by Team on Borderlands, Cartoon Network, Nick Jr., Puma artist as well. There's going to be a lot of staking rewards for holders. First collection is already 100% minted, and you can find it on Magic Eden right here. You can see the average sale price, you can see the floor price, and you can see pretty much what is happening right here. So you have the different Assembly characters right here, and they look really, really cool, right? Some of them just have a bloodshot behind them. Some of them have some sort of gradient, a lot of different designs of helmets and pretty much everything else. But very cool. And one other very important aspect is the fact that they announced a partnership with Ghost Punch Games LLC. So this is an opportunity for substantial growth for the lucrative gaming ecosystem. It's one of the fast growing ventures, or the Assembly, and it brings in new ways to play and earn with your in-game characters. Now you can see one of them right here. But the Assembly is rising fast in the ranks as industry pioneers in the midst of the video gaming revolution. So a new form of interactive and engaging video games are available to play on the blockchain, and this is one of them. Following in the footsteps of NFT giants in the gaming industry, the Assembly announced on their Discord server this week of their groundbreaking new partnership with Ghost Punch Games LLC. Very cool to see that they are collaborating with Ghost Punch Games. Definitely check out this news, and let's just move into the website at this point. I will be talking about the Discord a little bit, but I haven't been a member of their community, so I do believe by the end of the video, we're going to take a quick look and show you what's on there as well. Now, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about this project. Now, when it comes to the Assembly, the creators of the Assembly itself have discovered a wormhole on the blockchain that can bring the greatest armies of the ancient world back to life. Warriors from across history clash for supremacy in a 5v5 battlefield. You'll forge your own unique heroes, one-of-a-kind weapons and gear, and engage in visceral combat to conquer the competition and earn your place among legends. Every piece of gear and hero can be minted into unique NFTs, bought, sold, or rented to the other players, and all of these will let you earn as you play. Now, you can read these guys' light paper. I'm going to open that. Actually, I'm not going to open it right now. I do recommend you read it yourself, but definitely do join their Discord and do give these guys a follow on their socials, such as their Twitter page, if you want to learn more about pretty much everything going on with this project. Now, you can see a lot of different examples of the artwork itself. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can see right here. A lot of different and very unique designs. Very, very cool, and it's definitely something I'm looking forward to see. Now, moving on into the website, we can see a little bit more about the actual collection. The creators of the Assembly have discovered a wormhole on the blockchain that can bring the greatest armies of the ancient world back to life. Arriving in a pristine, unknown land with vast wealth and opportunity, these ancient warriors are ready to do what they do best, or conquer. They will do whatever it takes to rule over this new dominion. But after laying dormant for centuries, they have forgotten their strategic battle formations. They need your help to assemble the forces for the greatest war of the modern era, the war for the metaverse. The ancient Romans are the first to arrive through the wormhole, including Julius Caesar, Mark Antony, Commodus, and Spartacus, as well as many fierce gladiators, loyal soldiers, and cunning politicians. The wormhole wasn't kind to all Romans, though, with some being turned into zombies, ghosts, and mutants during the time warp. All Romans, regardless of their physical form or lack thereof, statue, or personal history, will arrive ready for battle and ready to dominate. They have all waited centuries for their return to power, and the stakes are at an all-time high. Now, a lot of the different things that you can do in the game is, by the way, really cool story. Player versus playing historical battle simulators. So first and foremost, you can assemble your NFT army of soldiers, generals, and politicians with unique stats and bonuses. Second of all, you can battle, so you can enter the arena and battle against other players to climb the worldwide leaderboard. And third of all, you can earn assembly wealth as a reward for your conquests. Now, when it comes to the roadmap, first and foremost, you do have the Roman arrival, so 1,000 Romans arriving on the Solana blockchain in December 2021. After which we have the Viking arrival, which is happening right now, so you can mint it on the February 7th. After that, we will have the Mayan arrival, where 1,000 Mayans will enter the wormhole, and this is led by Pakal, and arriving in February 2022 or early March. And after that, the battle commences. So the Romans, the Vikings, the Aztecs have begun to assemble and form their own armies, and as tensions rise, they are eager to battle for supremacy. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but after that, level 5, we do have the first enshrinement. So the greatest warriors in the battlefield are enshrined in the Assembly Museum in Decentraland. And what else is going to be happening? The wormhole reopening somewhere in the past. So who will arrive on the Solana blockchain next? The Assembly community will decide. And essentially, if you're part of the community, just join the Discord. You can check everything out. You can very quickly verify yourself and check pretty much everything going on. With regards to the official links, you have the Telegram, you have the Magic Eden, which is really, really cool. You can see all of the previous drops and a lot of very, very cool designs. So, ending the roadmap for today, we have the war continuing. So, Assembly is continuing to grow in size and power with only one goal, or to rule the metaverse. So, there is going to be some metaverse implications with this project as well in the future. Now, as you can see, here's a little bit about the team. You have the Serumbian, Noel, Movado, Taxman, Chamuyant, sorry if I butchered somebody's name, Gig, Dalin, and Z Trash Panda. Huge team. They're mentioned pretty much everywhere, and you can join their community using one of these links below. I'm going to chuck a look at the Instagram very quickly, but if you did enjoy the video, make sure to check these guys out. Give them a follow pretty much everywhere. As you can see, they're huge on the Insta as well. Absolutely beautiful artwork, and definitely something I recommend you take a look at. Now, lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. And thank you all for joining in for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.